Hi there. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so excited you're here. Welcome to Chef Grace MD. Today, I am excited to share with you one of my many Bakeology Natural, nourished, clean eating made simple, or quick snacks that can serve as a dessert. You serve this however you desire. So let's walk through the ingredients together. We're going to mix these nourishing snacks. You will not believe the end product. You're going to thank me later, and I'll wait to hear back from you. Come on, let's get to work. These containers are meant to help you connect what you see to what I say, like the ingredients, especially for those of you that are very audio-visual. Oatmeal. It's one of the healthiest options out there. Remember, oatmeal is very nutrient dense. It's heart-friendly and very versatile. Regular consumption will reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall heart condition. So this is a half a cup of oats. This is almond flour. But almonds are high in monosaturated fats, the same healthy fats found in olive oil. Regular almond consumption is going to help lower LDL, again the bad cholesterol, and may even raise the good cholesterol, known as the HDL. Almond can actually help with weight control. A combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber promotes satiety, helping reduce overall calorie intake. And they are rich in magnesium, which improves insulin sensitivity. Almond contains calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. All of these are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Almond flour, okay, half a cup. Now, one of my favorites is flaxseed, and it's right here. Flax seeds, also called lean seeds. They are tiny, but they are packed with powerful nutrients that offer a wide range of health benefits. It promotes overall heart health. So flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acid, which helps reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Regular consumption can lower blood pressure. They will support your digestive health, slow the absorption of glucose, and improve blood sugar stability. Okay, women, listen up. Flaxseed supports hormonal balance, especially in women, because flaxseed contains lignans, which is a plant compound with antioxidant and estrogen-like properties. Lignans can mildly mimic or balance estrogen, which may alleviate menopausal symptoms and support menstrual health. Does that make sense? Good. Okay. Also half a cup of that. Okay. And here, this is our cabbage. Remember when we made this cabbage flour? I recommend that you watch my Swallow Without Guilt video to find out how you can make your own cabbage flour. And then this is half a pound of spinach leaf. I've steamed it. I did not flavor it. This is just plain. And I squeeze out as much liquid as I could. And then, remember our pineapple water? That's the extract. And this is how you can extract the pineapple juice, and done. All right, we're gonna use 3 eggs. These are actually small size. Medium size would be better, but that's what I have. A small plantain is ripe, not overly ripe. It kind of looks like it is, but it's not. I took out the inside, the seeds, okay? See how it is? So we're still gonna blend it. You need 2 small bananas or 1 large banana. And then here is a half a cup of coconut milk. This is non-flavored. At this point, we just need to blend. You can either blend this or just mash it with the bananas, okay? Whatever is easiest to do. So I'm gonna put away the bulky ingredients, and then we get to work, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna dump all our dried ingredients, mix them all together, okay? All right, this is the oat, this is the almond flour, this is our flaxseed, and this is our dried cabbage flour. A 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, totally optional. A pinch of salt, and you go ahead and mix everything together. So here's a little trick. Always grind the flax seeds before eating them. Why? Because whole seeds often pass through your gut undigested. So all these benefits that we've mentioned, you're going to lose most of it. Here in the blender, I have combined the plantain, the bananas, and the coconut milk, as well as the pineapple extract. So those are my liquids. I'm going to use that to blend this. And that's probably the only thing we need to blend. It doesn't have to be smooth. If it's smooth, not a problem. So either way, you just need to get it to where you can mix everything together. So I'm going to do the eyes. Okay, that's it. I don't want it pureed. I don't want it smoothie. Again, you can mash it if you wish to. Okay. You can still see some chunks in there, and that's okay. All right, let's go ahead and transfer this, and then we mix all the other ingredients. That's that. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and add our blended ingredients. So go ahead and mix it at this point. I think that's plenty. There you go. And then go ahead and this is what it looks like. Just kind of mix them. Okay. See, still very thick. We have room for liquids, okay? So I go ahead, remember our spinach that we prepared earlier? So you go ahead and dump that. Gently kind of mix this up. Like to gently mix it up. Remember, we were going to use 3. We have 3 eggs in here. Go ahead and beat that in no particular way and just kind of mix everything together. Okay. So go ahead and combine that. For healthy fat, I'm using avocado oil, 2 tablespoons. One should actually have been okay, but 2 tablespoons. At this point, it's a matter of preference. If you can add vanilla, it's really up to you at this point. But this is all ready. Okay. Just gonna taste it. Just give it a little bit of a taste. I really think vanilla will taste really good on here. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just kind of mix. I think it looks good. Yeah, it's thicker than I want, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. I usually would use the lactose-free because I'm lactose intolerant. Okay, I say that all the time. Well, so yeah. So this is good. Go ahead and add anything else that you like. If you like nuts like I do, go crazy here. Okay, let's get some nuts. All right, I have a handful of walnuts, so dump the walnuts. And, this is almond nuts. Yeah, I just kind of break them apart as I dump them in. And of course, I have some raisins. Okay, cranberry. This is a mixed raisins. All right. Then go ahead and kind of whip them in. That's really it. That's it. Remember, you have to have your oven going at 350 degrees. This is going to be so delicious that you wish you were here. All right, so let's finish this up. I love coconut, if you haven't noticed that yet. So I'm going to use this non-dairy. You can use regular yogurt if you want to, but this is what I'm going to use. Okay. So this is why you don't want it very liquidy to begin with. All of it. And I used 2 cans of yogurt of the same flavor. Mine is non-dairy. You can choose and pick the flavor you desire or want, or skip this entirely. Remember, this is totally optional. So then combine, mix, and mix. I used 2, so now I just finished combining it. That's my oven. Time to go. Get your baking pans ready and fill in the mixture, and let's go. Space. Let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite fruits and nuts in baked products? All right, so they are ready. This is what I have. That's what it looks like. You can top it off with more nuts. or fruits, whatever it is that you want to do. And then go ahead and put this in the oven. This is supposed to bake anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. I have a little bit of the almond nuts left. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle. Okay, so our oven is ready at 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and put that in the oven. Okay? Careful, it's hot. Okay. So remember, we will need to give this 20 to 25 minutes. At 15 minutes mark, we can take a look at it, but usually we take up to 20 minutes. So let's get the topping ready and we'll be right on time to enjoy this. All right, while we are waiting for our snack to finish baking, let's go ahead and prepare a quick topping. Okay, you don't have to, this is really optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some just because I like it. Okay, we added pineapple extract, so I like to use whatever extract I use in the baking. It makes it just kind of pop out. Okay? So this is a lot. I'm just gonna try to squeeze this out a little bit here, a little bit there, just like that. Okay, and then I love this big knife, you can already tell. Okay. So I only use like half. I'm gonna keep this one back, I don't need it. So this is plenty. Okay, I have to chew on this. I'm gonna use half avocado, small size. I'll go ahead and clean it out. So this is what I have, just squeeze it out. Wash your hands again. Avocados offer various health benefits. They are rich in healthy fats, fiber, potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants, supporting your heart, gut, vision, bone, and skin health, and may aid in weight management. Just run your knife over it. To finish up our toppings, let's go ahead and chop up some strawberries. Just dice it as tiny as you can. The good thing about this topping is that you can use whatever fruit you desire. Here, I'm also dicing some mangoes to go along. So now all of this go in here. Here comes the real deal. See? Just go ahead and dump all of it. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of unsweetened coconut milk. It's totally optional. You go ahead and mix them up. We have, so you go ahead and mix. Mix that. Ugh. It's already looking beautiful. And boom, 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 boom. There. Again, one more of that. What does it say? Coconut. All right, so I love coconut. Go ahead and put that in here. Put all that in. Okay. Now at this point, if you want it sweetened, by all means you can do that. I am not going to sweeten it, but if you do want it sweetened, you can add maybe a tablespoon of honey if you want to, but I'm going to use mine like this. Perfect. Beautiful. Just the way I want it. Believe it or not. 20 minutes is up. Let's go ahead and get them out. Be careful, it's hot. Always use your mittens, or if you have a good towel, do so. Alrighty? Okay. It shouldn't be that hot, but you know. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. See how beautiful that is? Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Yep. Okay. I just want to show you what the back looks like. Result, and it is hot. You can feel it, right? Ooh. Ooh. But trust this hand. Let's put this in a plate. I already know that I'm gonna eat 2. This is beautiful. It's time to dig in, and I am inviting you to come. All right, please dig in. This is beautiful. Ooh, ooh. I want a dessert like this all the time. Ooh. Mm. Mm. Everything. Mm. Look at that. Look at that. How beautiful. You see it? What a way to make your snacks balanced and satisfying. This topping, that's the killer. Mm. Absolutely world class. And this is just one of my many Bakeology Naturals. Indeed, this is a nourished, clean, and simple eating. You can't get better than that. This is so good. I love this. Golly, this is good. Mmm. Mm. This is good. This is good. This is good. Perfect. Try it and tell me what you think. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for staying to the very end. Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for so much love that you have shown me. Consider subscribing, share with family, friends. I'm encouraging you to eat healthier. When you have the ability to make those choices, you have the ability to control certain variables. One of those variables is what goes into your mouth. Okay? I empower you. You can do this. You can do this. Now that I'm done with mine, I'm going to eat yours off camera. Wishing you a good and a godly day. Depending on where you're watching from, a godly afternoon, a godly evening, or a godly night. For what good is the day if it is not also godly? Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.